All I can say is that may Dad continue resting in peace.
Mimi it was Celine Nafula. The late Laban Msungu was my uncle, and indeed when he left us, by and by we shall meet in the beautiful shore. Continue resting in peace, Dad.
Ese Kristo bise bilonga ni mano bana heshima kumwisho yupa ho musaholo yefunde kama na chapa po yefu ukule khola papa niolo kusabila fwesi ne khuli balamo wekhalile muye kumulembe kube mbareke.
Sawa.
Mwende kumwimbo tafadhali. Mwimbo tu yote tafadhali.
Tembena Yesu, tembena Baba, tembena Yesu, haleluya, tembena Baba, tembena Yesu, tembena Baba, haleluya, safarini, tembena Baba, tembena Yesu, haleluya, 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 tembena Baba, tembena Mwana, tembena Roho, haleluya,
Amen.
haleluya, 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 Baba, tunakushukuru, tunakuinua kwa sababu wewe ni mwema. Siku ya leo umeona ni vema tuwe hai. Baba, tunakushukuru, tunakuinua. Baba, sisi ni watenda dhambi, tumenena, tumewaza, tumefanya yasiyo kupendeza machoni pako.